Hi. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Bestness TV. In this video we will define and discuss: what is business? What are the forms of business? What are the classification of business? And what are the activities involved in doing business? Let's get started. Business is the activity of making one's living or making money by producing or buying and selling products, such as goods and services. The forms of business ownership vary by jurisdiction, but several common entities exist. The following forms of business are: Number 1. Sole proprietorship. A sole proprietorship, also known as a sole trader, is owned by one person and operates for their benefit. The owner operates the business alone and may hire employees. A sole proprietor has unlimited liability for all obligations incurred by the business, whether from operating costs or judgments against the business. All assets of the business belong to a sole proprietor, including, for example, a computer infrastructure, any inventory, manufacturing equipment, or retail fixtures, as well as any real property owned by the sole proprietor. Number 2. Partnership. A partnership is a business owned by two or more people. In most forms of partnerships, each partner has unlimited liability for the debts incurred by the business. The three most prevalent types of for-profit partnerships are: general partnerships, limited partnerships, and limited liability partnerships. Number 3. Corporation. The owners of a corporation have limited liability and the business has a separate legal personality from its owners. Corporations can be either government-owned or privately owned, and they can organize either for profit or as non-profit organizations. A privately owned, for-profit corporation is owned by its shareholders, who elect a board of directors to direct the corporation and hire its managerial staff. A privately owned, for-profit corporation can be either privately held by a small group of individuals, or publicly held, with publicly traded shares listed on a stock exchange. Number 4. Cooperative. Often referred to as a co-op, a cooperative is a limited liability business that can organize as for-profit or not-for-profit. A cooperative differs from a corporation in that it has members, not shareholders, and they share decision-making authority. Cooperatives are typically classified as either consumer cooperatives or worker cooperatives. Cooperatives are fundamental to the ideology of economic democracy. Business classifications. Businesses are classified according to the industry. There are several business classifications belongs to a certain industry. Let us name a few. Agriculture. Agriculture business includes domestication of fish, animals, and livestock, as well as lumber, oil, and mining businesses that extract natural resources and raw materials, such as wood, petroleum, natural gas, ores, plants, or minerals also included in this industry, but some business process may belong to other industry. Financial services. Financial service businesses include banks, brokerage firms, credit unions, credit cards, insurance companies, asset and investment companies such as private equity firms, private equity funds, real estate investment trusts, sovereign wealth funds, pension funds, mutual funds, index funds, and hedge funds, stock exchanges, and other companies that generate profits through investment and management of capital. Entertainment. Entertainment companies and mass media agencies generate profits primarily from the sale of intellectual property. They include film studios and production houses, mass media companies such as cable television networks, online digital media agencies, talent agencies, mobile media outlets, newspapers, books, and magazine publishing houses. Manufacturing. Industrial manufacturers produce products, either from raw materials or from component parts, then export the finished products at a profit. They include tangible goods such as cars, buses, medical devices, glass, or aircraft. Real estate. Real estate businesses sell, invest, construct, and develop properties, including land, residential homes, and other buildings. Retailers, wholesalers, and distributors. Retailers, wholesalers, and distributors act as middlemen and get goods produced by manufacturers to the intended consumers. They make their profits by marking up their prices. Most stores and catalog companies are distributors or retailers. Transportation. Transportation businesses such as railways, airlines, shipping companies that deliver goods and individuals to their destinations for a fee. Sports. Sports organizations are involved in producing, facilitating, promoting, or organizing any activity, experience, or business enterprise focused on sports. They make their profits by selling goods and services that are sports related. Utilities. Utilities produce public services such as water, electricity, waste management, or sewage treatment. These industries are usually operated under the charge of a public government. Service. Service businesses offer intangible goods or services and typically charge for labor or other services provided to government, to consumers, or to other businesses. For example, interior decorators, beauticians, hairstylists, makeup artists, tanning salons, laundromats, dry cleaners, and pest controllers are service businesses. Business activities. In every business form and classification there are activities or tasks that was categorized and or departmentalized to deal in accordance with the business requirements. Number 1. Accounting. Accounting is the measurement, processing, and communication of financial information about economic entities such as businesses and corporations. The modern field was established by the Italian mathematician Luca Pacioli in 1494. Accounting, which has been called the language of business, measures the results of an organization's economic activities and conveys this information to a variety of users, including investors, creditors, management, and regulators. Practitioners of accounting are known as accountants. The terms accounting and financial reporting are often used as synonyms. Number 2. Finance. Finance is a field that deals with the study of investments. It includes the dynamics of assets and liabilities over time under conditions of different degrees of uncertainty and risk. Finance can also be defined as the science of money management. Finance aims to price assets based on their risk level and their expected rate of return. Finance can be broken into 3 different subcategories: public finance, corporate finance, and personal finance. Activities also include budgeting, forecasting and lending money, and is defined as the management of money. Number 3. Manufacturing. Manufacturing is the production of merchandise for use or sale using labor and machines, tools, chemical and biological processing, or formulation. The term may refer to a range of human activity, from handicraft to high-tech, but is most commonly applied to industrial production, in which raw materials are transformed into finished goods on a large scale. Number 4. Marketing. Marketing is defined by the American Marketing Association as the activity, set of institutions, and processes for creating, communicating, delivering, and exchanging offerings that have value for customers, clients, partners, and society at large. The term developed from the original meaning, which referred literally to going to a market to buy or sell goods or services. Marketing tactics include advertising as well as determining product pricing. With the rise in technology, marketing is further divided into a class called digital marketing. It is marketing products and services using digital technologies. Number 5. Research and development. Research and development refer to activities in connection with corporate or government innovation. Research and development constitute the first stage of development of a potential new service or product. Research and development are very difficult to manage since the defining feature of the research is that the researchers do not know in advance exactly how to accomplish the desired result. Number 6. Safety. Injuries cost businesses billions of dollars annually. Studies have shown how company acceptance and implementation of comprehensive safety and health management systems reduce incidents, insurance costs, and workers' compensation claims. New technologies, like wearable safety devices and available online safety training, continue to be developed to encourage employers to invest in protection beyond the canary in the coal mine and reduce the cost to businesses of protecting their employees. Number 7. Sales. Sales are activity related to selling or the number of goods or services sold in a given time period. Sales are often integrated with all lines of business and are key to a company's success. Management. The efficient and effective operation of a business, and study of this subject, is called management. The major branches of management are financial management, marketing management, human resource management, strategic management, production management, operations management, service management, and information technology management. Owners may manage their businesses themselves or employ managers to do so for them. Whether they are owners or employees, managers administer three primary components of the business value: financial resources, capital, tangible resources, and human resources. These resources are administered in at least 6 functional areas: legal contracting, manufacturing or service production, marketing, accounting, financing, and human resources. Thank you for watching. Hope you have learned a lot about this video. Please don't forget to subscribe for more videos. We will provide you with detailed information on how you can start your own business, and we will also post some business practical, so please stay tuned, like and subscribe. Thank you.